Okay, let's do a test. My destination is 39 kilometers away and I have a range left of 48 kilometers. Let's see if we can make it, because a lot of the distance is on the highway. Hey Google, my destination is 39 kilometers away and my range is 40.
For that, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. When it's safe, check the notification for steps to sign in.
Hey Google, set the temperature at 21 degrees.
Alright, changing the temperature to 21 degrees.
Okay, so the battery just went under 5%. I'm in eco mode right now. But the problem is that I can't see how much range in kilometers is left. It just went away. So yeah, that's quite scary, to be honest. Here's an update. We are now at 5 kilometers from our destination. We have 3% of the battery left, but I already seen 2%, so it's close to 2%. And no amount of kilometers of range indicated on the screen, so I'm hopeful we can make it. This car has a hands-free park assist, so let's see how well it works. Okay, it found a spot and brake. Select reverse. So the green line tells me how far I should reverse, but will it see this curb? No. Maybe it can find the parking space next to the car that just parked in my spot. Let's check it out. No, no. I'm gonna try the other side of this parking lot. As you can see, there are a lot of parking spots to the right side. Let's check it out. Doesn't find any. No. Okay, let's give this one more try. No spots found. Unbelievable. No. Then we have to do it ourselves.